Hi, welcome to APA Fun Facts with Courtney. If you are looking for quick APA tutorials, then you have come to the right place. Today we are talking about making a table in APA. So like a chart, a table, something that you need to display data on in your APA paper. Okay, so let me show you how to make a table in APA 7th edition. To start off, I'm going to be using Google Docs. However, if you're writing a paper and you need to be using a lot of tables, then I would actually recommend using Microsoft Word, or I haven't tried this in Pages yet, so I don't know what their table formatting situation is. Google Docs is great for 1 or 2 tables, but it's going to be really annoying for many tables. And you'll see why when we start making it. All right, so let's get started. I've popped up an example of what the table looks like when it's all completed right here at the front. So if you just want to look at it and get an idea from there, you can just pause the screen right now and copy from there. But if you want to see how I actually made this table, then keep watching. Okay, so for more information, you can go to page 199 of your APA 7th style guide. Each of your tables has to be numbered, so the first table that you put in your paper is going to be table number 1. The second table, as it appears in your paper, will be table 2, 3, and so on. And the heading for the table number is going to be in bold flush left, and then underneath that, you're going to put the title of the table. So table 3, and then what is your table about? The description for the table needs to be flush left, and it needs to be in title case italics. So then you're gonna go into your table generator, make a table, fill it in with whatever information that you need. This table is based on some fake information from our fake paper that we've been writing about pencil preferences amongst faculty. Here's just a bunch of fake data that I'm putting in. I'm centering it. Totaling it all up here. Now, I italicized my numbers. I forgot to take that off. You do not need to italicize the data in the table. So now you'll see why I prefer to work in Microsoft Word as opposed to Google Docs for making a table. When you're making a table in APA 7th edition, you need to have only horizontal lines in it. So if you think about the column titles, you're going to have a line on top of the column title and right below the column title to kind of offset it. And then you have a line going across the bottom. That's it. So in Microsoft Word, that's really easy to do. You highlight the whole sections that you want to be having a border on them, and you highlight the sections that you don't want to be having a border on them. In Google Docs, however, you have to go segment by segment. You can't highlight all of the columns. You have to go column by column, like this, and make them black and white. So you can decide what's easier to do, if it's easier to make the whole thing black and then turn pieces white like I'm doing, or if it's easier to make the whole thing white and then turn pieces black like now I'm doing. All right, so here I go piece by piece, making each little segment black. And I'm gonna go to the top. No rhyme or reason as to why I chose to do things in this order. And then you would start your text right underneath. Don't leave a whole bunch of extra spaces or anything like that. There you have it. That's how to create a table in APA 7th. Thank you so much for watching to the end. If you have any questions related to APA 7th, please leave them in the comments and I would be happy to get back to you. Good luck with your papers. Bye.